Here we go.
Ever pondered how volcanic eruptions could affect your beloved motor vehicle? Now that's a question you don't hear every day, right? But the unseen hazard here is real. Volcanic ash, that seemingly innocent gray stuff, can play havoc with your ride. It's a sneaky infiltrator creeping into every opening, etching its way into surfaces and even causing scratches. But it doesn't stop there. The ash has an insatiable appetite for clogging, and your car's air filtration system is a prime target. With enough accumulation, it can even cause engine failure. Turns out, volcanoes are not just ground shaking, they're car shaking too. A volcanic ash may seem like a strange menace, but let's compare it to other more well-known enemies. Think about road salt, which is a car owner's worst enemy in the winter. It can cause corrosion and damage to your vehicle's paintwork. Now think about volcanic ash. It's not just a corrosive agent, but can infiltrate nearly every opening of your car, causing potential engine failure and extra engine wear. Now, how about those bird droppings and tree sap? While they can be a nuisance, staining your car's exterior, volcanic ash takes it to a whole another level. It can permanently mark and scratch your windshields and windows, even corrode exterior fittings. And unlike bird droppings, which can be easily washed off, ash requires a strategic cleaning plan to mitigate damage. So, volcanic ash might not be as common as bird droppings on your windshield, but it sure packs a punch when it comes to causing havoc. So a volcano has erupted and your car is covered in ash. Now what? Well, there's no need to erupt in panic. Let's talk about some strategies to reduce the effects of ash on your vehicle. First, consider frequent oil changes. Volcanic ash can mix with oil, leading to extra engine wear. Make sure to clean or replace your air filters regularly. Ash can clog these up faster than a rush hour traffic jam, and we all know how that can lead to overheating and engine failure. Ever thought about using air pressure to remove ash from essential engine components? It's like giving your car a breath of fresh air. Lastly, don't forget to clean your vehicle with water regularly. It's like a spa day for your car, washing away the ash and reducing the chances of corrosion. Remember, your car might not be ash-proof, but with some care, you can certainly make it ash-resistant. Share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. They might thank you the next time a volcano decides to sneeze. If you like what you are hearing, then subscribe to Maximo Unlimited to help us grow and stay up to date on unique content. Okay, we've covered off the immediate steps to protect your car from volcanic ash, but what about the cleanup? Let's delve into that. Start by using a soft brush to gently sweep away the ash from your car's surface. Avoid rubbing or scrubbing as the ash can scratch your paintwork. It's like a volcanic exfoliation but for your car. Next, use a high-pressure hose to rinse your vehicle thoroughly. Remember, volcanic ash can be stubborn, so rinse, rinse, and rinse again. When it comes to the interior, a vacuum with a HEPA filter is your best friend. It will suck up all the ash particles without releasing them back into your car or home. And lastly, don't forget your tires and undercarriage. These areas can often be overlooked but can house a lot of ash. A good rinse and scrub should do the trick. Remember, it's not just about keeping your car looking good, it's about maintaining its health and longevity. Your car will thank you for it, and so will your wallet. If you like this video, check out our other video about volcanic eruption effects on aviation. This is Maximo Unlimited, signing off.